10 lakh, right? 10 lakh, how does it feel?
It feels great.
Oh, okay, let me ask you, is it 10 lakh or is it more than that?
It is more, it is plus. I didn't think that, a baker sitting at home could earn so much. And after I mastered that entire thing, all your course and the way the techniques that you teach is really so simple and beautiful that once you put it into practice, it is like, I was surprised that am I able to do all this? See, the recipes are first of all very important because your recipes, whatever we use, are all foolproof.
And
And when my daughter sees the cake, she'll always say, Mama, is this your cake? I feel it is like Pinterest cake.
comfortable.
Big decision I took when I had to pay for the lifetime course. Yeah,
Yeah.
that was amount. And I'm glad I registered for that.
So, hi everyone, and welcome back to this series. Now, these are not Hall of Fame interviews, okay? These are Superstar Baker interviews. And today I am talking to someone, rather, you guys are going to meet someone who has not only followed the system to the T, but she has really turned her passion into profitable business, okay? And this is not just going to be about any kind of theory or any kind of motivation, but this is going to be straight to the point what a baker can do, what kind of potential you can achieve if you really put your heart, mind, and soul into this, right? So, we are going to be talking about real orders, real numbers, and a really true transformation, like how your identity shifts, right? That is what we are going to talk about. So, make sure that you are watching this very, very carefully. Put your pen to paper, start to take notes, especially the golden nuggets that will come out from this particular interview. Just note it down, because even if you are able to get one idea from this interview and if you implement it, I'm telling you, your bakery business journey will take a different turn altogether, right? And it is going to definitely take you closer towards your bakery business dream. So let's put our hands together for none other than Josephine. Hi, Josephine.
Hi, Dipti ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm fine, all well.
Superb. Heartiest congratulations. So 10 lakh, right? 10 lakh, how does it feel?
It feels great.
Oh, okay, let me ask you, is it 10 lakh or is it more than that?
It is more, it is plus.
Okay, it is plus.
I'm not
Superb.
calculated exactly, but definitely
Yeah,
plus.
yeah. So 10 lakh plus, how does it feel?
It really feels great. That also being at home and earning.
Yeah, crazy, isn't it? Like,
Yeah.
so when you had got into this journey first time, did you ever feel कि आप इतना लंबा चलोगे?
No, never, never. I had not thought of it because my first month revenue was only 4,000 rupees.
Yeah, yeah,
So I didn't think that, a baker sitting at home could earn so much.
absolutely.
And that also, like, it's a passion for me more than, like, just earning. It
Hmm,
is like you get the joy, the satisfaction when you see the joy on your customer's face. That is
absolutely.
what I look forward to always.
Yes, yes, superb. So tell me something, like last time we did your 1 lakh interview, right? And
Yeah.
now we are doing, so that was a Hall of Fame interview. Now we are doing the Superstar Baker interview where you have earned more than 10 lakh rupees. So tell me something, like what changed your mind, or rather, what changed in your baking journey where you decided to scale, like seriously, very committed?
Actually, the first thing what started my, when I started my journey, that time I took your course very seriously for the first 6 months challenge.
Hmm.
That
Okay.
was the first, you can say a stepping stone for my success.
Hmm.
Because your 6 month challenge, the course which is designed is so beautiful
Hmm.
that in 1 week you have to study just one product of
Hmm.
yours.
Hmm.
And I was so eager to complete, more than what is told to us. So instead of completing one cookie recipe, I would complete four cookie recipes,
Yeah. Yeah.
So that really got me going. And after I mastered that entire thing, all your course and the way the techniques that you teach is really so simple and beautiful that once you put it into practice, it is like, I was surprised that am I able to do all this?
Wow.
That is when it was a turning point for me.
Crazy.
So when I was doing my 6 months, no, I was not focusing so much on orders or
Yeah.
I should get consistent orders. I was just focusing on my skill building. That
Hmm.
is all. Whatever you had told us, and I was just following exactly, and I didn't miss any of your sessions.
Yeah, I know.
Wherever,
I'm a very consistent student of
yeah,
mine.
wherever I was, sometimes I has to drive, but in the car also I has to keep my, video on and, just listen to your sessions.
Wow, so powerful, so dedicated.
So,
So again, so when you made your first 1 lakh and then you started doing this 6 months challenge as well. So what were you able to realize at the end of that challenge? Like, are you good in baking more like cookies, dry bakes, or are you good at the cake decorations?
no, it was both for me. It is
Okay.
both
Hmm.
because my decorations also turn out very good.
Hmm.
My fondant cakes turn out very beautiful,
Hmm.
and the two-tier cakes, and also the dry bakes. Dry bakes, in fact, I get more often because people order for, yeah, their
Wow.
tea time and all. So that I get more often, but still the others ones also, like, I'm equally good with that.
Nice.
So they
Okay.
are both, I get the mix of both.
Mix of both. Superb. So, this 10 lakh plus revenue, what do you feel is the major contributor to this revenue? Like, what products, if you had to list it down, five
My During my Christmas sale, my rum cake was the most hit.
rum cake. Okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
I sold over 50 kg of rum cake.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow. In just 1 month.
in 1 month. Yeah, in
Super.
1 month, over
Amazing.
50 kgs of rum cake was sold.
Hmm.
And even the date and walnut cake, which is the signature cake of mine.
Hmm.
So everybody wants a walnut cake.
Yeah.
And that also, like throughout the week, I keep selling walnut cakes.
Till now.
Even now, yeah. That is
Wow.
even during regular time, off season, on
Hmm.
season, the walnut cakes are throughout the year. And the ragi cake, not forgetting the ragi diet cake.
Wow.
Yeah, because most of the people are health conscious and they
Yeah.
don't like maida. They want
Hmm.
ragi and, jaggery. So they prefer that. So I
Super.
get many or very often during the week, I get ragi orders, either ragi muffins or ragi cake.
Hmm.
And my customers are really happy with that ragi because they feel it's not ragi. We are not eating ragi. Is it really ragi? They ask me, because we are feeling like we're eating the real
Yeah.
chocolate cake.
Yes, yes, yes.
So they are
Super.
very happy with that. So I keep getting all these tea time cake orders during the week.
Very good. So throughout the year, you are selling these two products, which is your walnut cake and ragi cake, right? Which is
Yeah.
jaggery.
Besides, there are others also, birthday cakes and all. Birthday cakes
Yeah.
mostly are chocolate truffle cake.
Chocolate truffle cake.
Yeah.
Nice.
And
And
seasonal, we have the fruit cake and of course the cheesecakes also.
cheesecakes. Oh, lovely.
Seasonal cheesecakes, mango season now. Strawberries are in season. So
Oh,
strawberry cheesecakes are going a lot.
superb. So it is like whichever fruit season is there, you make sure that you are using it for your
Yes,
recipes and
yes.
making it more
Yeah. And
customized.
people also like to go for that, the
Mm.
seasonal fruit, rather than using the tin fruit.
Same fruits.
When the fresh fruit is in season, it's always good. And the taste also differs using fresh
Absolutely.
fruit.
Completely agree with you. So see, first you became a super baker, then you completed your 1 lakh challenge, 6 months challenge also you completed, and then this 10 lakh challenge also you have completed. So do you see a shift in your identity or in yourself as such, every milestone that you have achieved?
Yes, I do see. I see that how I have progressed myself.
Hmm.
No, I see from where I started my journey to where I have reached now.
Hmm.
And people recognize me as a professional baker. So
Hmm.
that itself, it gives me a great joy.
Nice, amazing. And again, what has like if you have to give percentage wise distribution to the skills, the implementation part of the skills, that knowledge that you are getting, and the mindset, what would you like to share about that? Like in every journey, every milestone, how much each of these things have contributed to your success?
See, the recipes are first of all very important because your recipes, whatever we use, are all foolproof.
Hmm.
You don't have to try and then you get discouraged. Oh, this didn't work out. No, whatever recipes you have designed in your course are all perfect. So
Hmm.
that is the first thing. And
Hmm.
second is we have to trust you and trust the system which is put in place. So
Hmm.
that itself, I feel, is a very important thing because
Hmm.
when people lose trust, they
Yeah,
lose faith, they cannot go ahead.
absolutely.
That is a very important thing. So once you trust the system, you trust the person, your mentor who's taking you ahead, and then everything just falls in place, I feel. And
Hmm.
then your weekly guidance is very important to us.
Hmm.
Even now, I have completed 2 years, but still, you give us the same instructions, but there is something new to learn from so many different things that you organize.
Hmm.
Each time you have the interviews of people within the community. So from them also we learn so much. So
Very
for me, it is still learning, although I have mastered all the things, but still it is
yeah,
so much more to learn and so
super.
much more to grow.
Yeah, absolutely. Amazing. This is really, really nice. And then, how is your family looking at you now? Because they have seen this journey, right? They have really seen this journey, how you started and how you have mastered this particular art. And now that you are making revenue as well, a lot of people
Yeah.
are loving your work. They are giving you amazing feedback. And more importantly, what you have is loyal customers, right? They keep coming back to you and they keep sending you new customers as well. So,
Right.
what is your family's reaction?
They are very happy with it. In fact, they are also surprised how I have grown over these last few years.
Super.
Yeah.
So, something
And
changed at home. What do you feel? And
and when my daughter sees the cake, she'll always say, Mama, is this your cake? I feel it is like Pinterest cake.
wow, the best compliment is
Yeah.
wow, superb, superb. And then, what is next for you? Like, what is your next big goal?
I just want to continue growing. Mainly, I want to take wedding orders. I want to
Mm.
go into that,
Yeah.
mainly into wedding and the party orders. I want to
Mm.
concentrate, focus on more of that. Get
Like
those kind of
wedding cakes
wedding
or
cake.
doing the entire table, like return cake
Wedding
or
cakes mainly.
okay, okay, okay. Okay, got it. Amazing.
Yeah.
And apart from that, um, apart from that, again, when you how much percentage of your effort you will give to marketing? Like how much marketing is important when you want to scale from 1 lakh to 10 lakh? Can
Actually, marketing is very, very important. From my side, I don't do much marketing as such. Paid marketing, I don't do at
yeah,
all,
yeah,
but it's only word of mouth.
yeah.
For me, it's 90% word of mouth. And
Hmm.
then, of course, I put on the social media, I put on the Instagram and on my status, WhatsApp status. I have a broadcast group, I put it on that. So
Hmm.
it
Nice.
works. It works with that.
Superb. And again, see, completing your Super Baker challenge, 6 months challenge, 1 lakh challenge, 10 lakh challenge. At every stage, did you feel that there were challenges as well? Like, let us talk about things that did not work out for you. And maybe then we can talk about what did you do to,
Yes, challenges always come in our way.
so can you
The
share?
journey is not smooth.
Yeah.
Especially when I was working, I used to
Hmm.
like come home in the night at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and
Hmm.
then I used to start baking.
Hmm.
Till midnight, I used to bake, or even till 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, I used to bake, and then next morning go to work.
So this was
So,
when you were still learning, right? Recipe,
yeah,
six
yeah.
months maybe
This
challenge
is
chal
that
raha
was
hai.
during my 6 month challenge
Mhm. Hmm.
thing.
Okay, lovely,
Yeah,
amazing.
yeah.
And so that was during that when you started considering this scaling part very seriously. What were the challenges with that?
Oh, that time sometimes you don't get consistent orders.
Hmm.
For 1 week, maybe I don't get orders. So I just feel that even if I don't get orders, I don't get disappointed. I will still try my skill,
Hmm.
building up on my skills, whichever things I have not done. I put it more time into practice.
Hmm.
And then somehow it works.
Wow, amazing, superb.
Yeah.
And so again, in this particular um, in this particular years of your trials and errors, and then really finding out, okay, this is what I want to do, or this is something that I don't want to sell. What do you feel is, first of all, which month has been like the highest month for you?
It's always after Diwali time.
Hmm.
From
Okay.
September it starts usually.
Okay.
September, October, November, December till then, it's always a busy month till Jan, I can say. When
Okay.
February
Okay.
becomes little bit low, then
Hmm.
again April I catch up.
Ah,
Yeah, April, May again, and then June again it's a little bit slack.
correct.
But so then there is always ups and downs. But
Yeah.
sometimes you do so much more business in those particular months that
Yeah.
the other months it covers up for
Absolutely.
that. Yeah.
Wow, this is really, really nice because I've seen bakers who really give up. so easily कि orders नहीं है करके, but then you got to prepare for those big orders that are going to come later on, right?
That's
Like
true.
you rightly said, the second half of the year is so crucial. It is so important. If you don't prepare
Yeah,
for that, so maybe you have got this time to work on those skills so that you can
that's
make those
true.
months
Sometimes you
good.
need time for our own self also. I realize that because
Yeah,
all the time, 365 days, if you're
exactly.
baking, you need
So
time for
powerful.
yourself. You need
So
time for
powerful.
yourself. You need to regain your energy first.
Very true. Very true. And
So,
especially when
yeah.
you're scaling big, you really need to focus on this. So let us have gratitude for that as well. And then, so when you are working and when you wanted to get into this baking, and especially the moment, okay, I want you to go back to that moment when you really decided कि नहीं अभी मुझे job नहीं करना, I want to get into this full time and I want to quit my job.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
what was your mindset at that particular point of time? Because you were,
At that time, I waited till my business would pick up and,
hmm,
almost match my salary.
hmm,
So
yeah,
once it started matching my salary, then I said, now I can do it. If I'm working and I can do it, so if I'm at home full time, I can do even more.
more, yes, very good.
Yeah, yeah.
And then, do you regret that decision कि अरे job छोड़ दिया? इस
No, not a bit, not a bit. I'm very happy to be my own boss.
Absolutely, yes, absolutely, yes. And anything else that you would like to share with women? Maybe they are working professional, they are watching this right now, and they are like, मैं job छोड़ू कि नहीं छोड़ू, job के साथ कैसे होगा? What would you like to share with them?
No, first of all, I would just say that be very sure
Hmm.
whether you want to go into this seriously as a business.
Hmm.
Only then you give up your job. Like, don't give up your job because others are telling you. You
Hmm.
have that confidence within yourself that, yes, I'll be able to do it.
Yeah,
And I have the confidence, I have the skill, and I'll be able to take it forward only then to leave the job.
absolutely.
Otherwise, just because you see the interviews, you see somebody else telling you about it, it does not work. It has to come from within.
Action taking is more important.
Yeah, yeah,
If you otherwise recipes तो ऐसे ही कितने सारे मिल जाएंगे.
yeah.
Then unless and until you implement something, things are not going to move at all in your baking journey. Amazing.
Because that inner confidence has to come that yes, I'll be able to do it no matter what. Like, I'll take it forward.
Yeah.
So
Super.
that confidence has to be there. Otherwise, others telling you and you trying and forcing yourself doesn't work.
Doesn't work at all.
Yeah.
And in the last 2 years of your journey, have you taken any uncomfortable decision, like really, really uncomfortable कि यार ले लिया ये वाला decision? Could be whatever you have invested in big tool, course, or whatever, maybe big order, you did some marketing, whatever comes to your mind, where you
No,
felt
I
uncomfortable.
big decision I took when I had to pay for the lifetime course.
हाँ,
Yeah,
yeah.
that was amount, but I said no, that's important for me.
Hmm.
Whatever it like, cost, I will do it.
Hmm.
And
Nice.
I'm glad I registered for that.
Amazing. What do you feel if you had delayed it by 1 more year? What would have happened?
No, I would have to pay double for it, which I would not have paid.
Yeah, yeah.
I would not
Imagine.
have paid and I would be out of completely the system.
Ah,
I would not be with the community and there would not be any growth, I feel.
yeah. So true.
Yeah, yeah.
Powerful.
Being
Very.
with the community and being with all other bakers and especially attending your BBR programs once a year. So
Hmm.
all these things matter a lot.
Superb. Amazing.
Yeah.
Since you spoke about BBR, what is the one thing that you learned from that where you felt like, okay, let me attend second BBR as well. So what was that one thing?
BBR, like you train the people's mind so well, like, that positive thinking, everything about like, positivity.
Hmm.
So that is one thing I like about it. That
But does it help?
people come with so much of sadness or
Hmm.
negativity. But once when we are going back out from that place, we are charged with so much of energy and so much to look forward to that we look forward from that day onwards, we look forward for the next BBR.
So beautiful. But then, do you think that kind of learning is also required for bakers?
Yeah, it is required. It is required because mindset is very, very important.
important.
Because you don't have the proper mindset, you cannot go ahead in your business.
Very true. So true.
Yeah.
And what about the community learning as such? Like,
But community learning is great
yeah.
because we are always connected together and
Hmm.
nobody is lagging behind, because even if somebody needs any help, like we are always there to support each other.
Very true.
So I don't think anybody would say that, they don't understand something and they are left behind, because we always pull them up and, get back to where they have to be.
Superb. Amazing. And then from here, what is it that you are looking forward to? Maybe next 3 years journey. What would you like to achieve?
Really a very skilled cake artist.
Superb. Yeah, you said wedding cakes, right?
Wedding cakes, yeah.
Amazing. Superb. Great. Amazing. So very happy to learn so much more from you. I have seen your journey right from day one. I have seen you achieve all the milestones up until now, and it has been a great journey. Like, I really look forward to that journey in just a short span of again. So one question I forgot to ask you, even though you are part of the community since 2 years, this 1 lakh to 10 lakh shift, in how many months this has happened?
About 18 months.
About 18 months. Okay, so you
Yeah,
made your first 1 lakh in like 6 months,
6 months.
and then you
Yeah,
took about 18 months to
yeah,
achieve this revenue. Amazing. So 18 months also this is possible, right? If you
yeah,
really focus on this by doing organic marketing.
yeah.
Amazing. So, guys, those people who are listening to this interview, anything is possible if you really put your mind, heart, soul into it, right? Make sure that you are building your skills, follow the path to the T, follow the structure to the T, and you will get the same results, just like what Josephine has got, right? This is really amazing. And this is the reason why we have built this community, because community learning is something which is going to take you closer towards your goal faster. Okay, I'm not saying alone if you try something you will not reach your goal, but with community you will reach that goal faster, right? And if we are able to save our time, we will be able to save our money. Rather, we will be able to make more money if we are able to save our times, right? So make sure that you are not just learning the recipes, but join the community so that you can build your confidence, you can build your bakery business just the way it is supposed to be built, and become a profitable person, become a profitable bakery, right? So that you can not just change your life, but you can change your family's financial story as well. So, thank you so much, Josephine. This has been really powerful and power packed, loaded with a lot of golden nuggets, kind of an interview. So, thank you so much for giving us your time and doing this for the entire community. Thank you
Thanks so much, ma'am, for selecting me for this interview.
so happy to do this with you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you once again.